Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to create About Us section over here. Alright, let's get started. Section, you can put ID, About Us, class EP.6, and then just put container, div, class container, make container center mx auto, and padding y2. Okay, we need two div to sit side by side, so over here we can put flex, and then div 1 and second div for image. Put class with 1/2. Copy it and put this over here. And next we want to put head 2, and in head 2 we put About Us. Okay, and then we have p tag. We put description About Us over here. Copy it and put it over here. Okay, in the second box we have image, and I'm going to put source, so we are going to export this image out, so export it out. So About Us image. Okay, just control image About Us. Okay, this look pretty good. I want this one to be at the center. Fix over here and put fix column. Okay, and put justify center. Okay, this at the center right now, so put text align center as well. Text center, I mean. Okay, save. Alright, we are going to make About Us bigger and bold. So class text 3XL, font is bold, and margin bottom is 5. Okay, this look good. So I need padding over here, padding in this box. So over here I just put padding 6, px 6, maybe 16. Okay, this look good. Okay, we want to create this box behind the image. Let's make image full width. Class full width full. Okay. Alright, let's create the box behind image. So I put div, put class bg indigo 900, and then just want to put height full, width full. Okay, let's take a look. So how we make this box go behind the image? So we have to set this to be absolute position. Let's take a look. And this one to be relative, parent to be relative, and child to be absolute. So this one is relative too. Okay, and we determine position of this box. So we put top 6, and we make left 6, make it go to the left. This is the starting position. We have to make minus, so makes -6 instead of 6. Okay, this look good. So I just want to bring the image to the front. Okay, so I put C10. C10 is mean set index or C index. Okay, this look good. Alright, this is all about this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create footer section.